Hey! Come on. Come on, Graham. It's a good pool party? Yeah? Hey, Dory, why don't you get in the water? There's Lily. Hey, Lily. That's the corner they all like to lay in. It's a Papillon pool party. Get in there, Lamb. Come on. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Oh, he's excited now. He's got the zooms. You get back in there with your friends? Sweetheart. Rivet, you're confused. That's not the pool. What are you doing? I have one pup. That's enough of that. Hey, Lily. Get in the pool, baby? No? When you hear that splashiness, she loves that. So get in. We'll show them how you can dig. We'll show them how you can dig. Yeah? What's that? Ooh, splashy, splashy. Hmm? Okay, Lily. There you go. Good, Lily. Oh. Looks a little... You want to get inside? You want to get in the pool with your friend?
Oh, Dory likes it.
Oh, good kisses. Good kisses. Yeah. And a good pool party? You have a good pool party? Yeah? Is it fun? You having a good time? You want to dig? Just show them how you can dig. Yeah? Looking kind of tired there. You tired?
Drink some water. Come here. Come here, Prissy. Drink some water. Come get it.
Here comes your friend. Here comes Lily. Get in the pool, Lily. Come on, Lily.
Prissy, here.
I go this way. No, wrong pool, baby. This pool. Good girl. Look it. Papillons. Come on, Graham.
Graham, get in.
Oh, that's good.
That's nice.
Oh. Oh, Rivet's out. Hey, Graham.
Graham, get in.
Oh, you're so funny.
Get in. Get in, little. Get in, little thing.
It's like, no.
You gotta get it.
She loves to walk around in there. Lily is. Where are you going? You stay in there with your buddy.
You ready to go?
You stay in there with your buddy?
Go.
Help you. You gotta come around this side. What is it? What is it? Hmm? Okay. Hey, here. Come on. Let's see. Oh, there's a card. There's a card, baby. Let's read the card. Let's read the card. Oh, it's your name. What is it? Hey. 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 Let's read it. Oh. It's your birthday. Look. That's a good times roll. Look, what's it? Love, Rudy. Let's see what Rudy sent you. Hmm? What is it? What is it? Hmm? No, not the bag. Come on. You gotta get the bag alone. What is this? Oh my goodness, Rivet. Oh my goodness. Here, let's get it out. It must be something good. Hmm? Here you go. Check it out. Hey. Hey, what is it? Hmm? Oh, I know what that is. There you go. What'd you find? Ooh, some kind of ear wipe. Eye wipes. I haven't seen you that interested in eye wipes. Oh, and a toy. A cracky noise toy. Ooh, that's exciting. Oh, we love it. We love it. And what's this? Ooh. And what? Oh, and some treats. What a lucky dog you are.